विजीट आली आज आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी हेड इव्हेंट MSME चो सो ताका शॉर्ट नोटिसीचेर रिक्वेस्ट केलो रिवर साल चोवपाक सो ही हेज कम हियर ही इज ऑलरेडी अवेअर सगळीं पिक्चरां सगळें डॉक्युमेंटेशन सगळें काडून दिल्ल्या दी फेलियर ऑफ member secretary of Goa Pollution Control Board has led to this. The failure of the chairman of the Sewage Department Corporation has led to this. हे सगळे ताका सांगलेले हांव तो आज ताणें विटनेस केला. So now he is also going to together with the chief secretary work on a temporary solution to fix the 6 locations. 6 लोकेशनां जी sewage discharge करताय for the last 1.5 year सगळे डॉक्युमेंटेशन जाल्ली हा. This is an inherited problem. 10 वर्स मायजू जाली. But nobody is taking that action. I only request that all these authorities who have left this river like this should be made accountable. The Chief Secretary should make them accountable. Now the Honorable Chief Minister was here today. He has first hand seen this and I am sure now things will start moving. That is only what we want. We would want to save this river. We have no any other intentions.